Hi, I don't know who you are, but thank you for clicking this video. I'm Isaiah, and this is my channel, Isaiah Makes Stuff, where I make stuff. And today I'm going to be making lemon truffles. So once you have all your ingredients, the first thing you're going to want to do is zest a lemon. This is a lot easier if you actually have a lemon zester. I do not, so what I am doing is getting as much as the yellow part of the lemon that I can. It's okay if you do get some of the white stuff in it, but you're going to want to scrape as much of the white stuff away from the skin as possible. So here I'm just scraping out as much of the white part of the lemon that I can. Again, it's okay if you get some of this in there, but it's more bitter than it is lemony, so just get as much as you can out. So once you finish getting as much of the white stuff out of the lemon skin as possible, dice the lemon skin thin enough to resemble a real zest. Once you have your lemon zest prepared, pull out your pan and your butter, place the butter into the pan, then your zest, and slowly bring the butter to a boil. Once the butter is completely melted, you can incorporate it into the lemon zest. I did not wait, I just wanted to combine them as soon as possible. After a minute or two, you can add your heavy cream, stir it into the mixture until it's completely incorporated. Let that cook for just a few more minutes. Make sure you keep it warm because it's very important for this next step. Grab a medium-sized bowl, place your chocolate chips inside of it and a strainer on top. Then slowly pour in your lemon cream mixture. As you can see, as you can see here, you're just pour your mixture in a strainer and just get as much of the liquid as you can out of the lemon zest. Add your lemon extract, a few drops of food coloring. You can do as much as you want here. So ideally, the heat of the heavy cream mixture should be enough to melt the chocolate. Once you finish mixing the mixture until it's smooth, just place it into the fridge until the mixture is cool enough to handle. It should be about 30 minutes to an hour. So once the mixture is cool, you can grab a teaspoon and just roll the mixture into a ball. Roll the balls into powdered sugar until completely covered. So as you may have been able to tell, I kind of added way too much lemon extract. So I basically had to triple the entire recipe, and that's why later you'll see that I have way more than what you would get if you made this recipe. Refrigerate them again for 30 minutes before you eat them. And there you go, lemon truffles. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think of the recipe down below, and remember to be nice to people.